Okay, I'm just going to show some of the issues that I have with using Bluetooth audio in my VF Commodore wagon. Turn that fan off so we can hear what's going on. Turn the volume down. So we've got the radio going at the moment. Okay, so we can see here that we've got them connected via Bluetooth. Probably can't see the little icon there. This is a Nokia Lumia 930 running Windows Phone. I do use this with Bluetooth with other devices. I've got a Sony stereo in my house that I use it with Bluetooth, and it's never a problem. And what I usually do is start Spotify, and I can change the source on here to Bluetooth audio, and should be able to play it. So it's playing, but as you can hear, the audio is very choppy. I can sometimes get it to play well, but not always. So let's try and disconnect it. So we'll just turn off the Bluetooth. Okay, so the car's gone back to the radio. Connect it back up with Bluetooth. Okay, let's go back to Bluetooth audio. See if we can get it to play. No, still choppy. Alright, let's try killing Spotify completely. You can see the car says audio is paused. We'll start Spotify again. Press play. Still choppy. Now another issue that I've seen happen if we use the car, actually there should be an option here to, like, if we press pause with the car, it says audio paused, and if we press play to start it again, oh, it does work. Sometimes that doesn't work. So let's press pause again on the car, press play on the phone. Okay, that doesn't always work that way. Anyway, you can hear that the audio is very choppy. It's not a great experience, especially when it does work sometimes. Let's try something else. Let's try Groove, which is a different app on the phone. I think this has got some music in it. No, I don't have any music on here yet. Alright, that's not a good idea. Anyway, you can see that it doesn't work very well. I'll go to the next song. Still choppy. Now it's working properly. See, it's not choppy. Oh, actually, no, it is. Yeah, it's still choppy. Anyway, you get the idea. I think there's some software bugs there somewhere. And I doubt it's in the phone because it works with other devices just fine. Thanks for watching.